Stop scrolling endlessly and let's unlock a hidden gem using Trulia to find your next wholesale real estate deal. First, head over to Trulia.com. We are going to use Trulia for free to help you find distressed properties that you can potentially wholesale for a profit. Now, get granular. Use Trulia's filters like a detective. Set your price range low, targeting properties that might be undervalued. Then, use keywords like fixer-upper, needs TLC, or even foreclosure to find those hidden opportunities. Dive deep into the listings. Look for visual cues of distress, overgrown yards, peeling paint, or outdated interiors. These often indicate motivated sellers. Once you find a promising property, grab the seller's contact information from Trulia. Time to put on your negotiation hat. Reach out and see if they are open to selling below market value. Remember, your goal is to get the property under contract. Now, the magic happens. With the property under contract, you don't actually buy it. Instead, you assign the contract to another investor for a fee. They close on the property, and you pocket the difference. That's it. Using Trulia as a free tool, you can discover distressed properties, connect with motivated sellers, and wholesale your way to success. Now get out there and start searching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more real estate secrets.